we're going to look at these gutters and make sure that they're performing correctly, meaning they're not holding back any water, they're not leaking, and everything's working as it should work. Today on The Everyday Man. Hey, if you like this video, click the like and subscribe button and you'll see more videos like this. Okay, let's get looking at them. So what we're looking at is the bottom of the gutter, and you can see it's dripping, right? So let's take a look at this from the top side. These gutters are filled to the top. So here's an easy way to see if there's water inside the downspout. You can tap on it. If it sounds hollow, there's no water in it. If this was filled with water, it would have a solid sound, and you would probably see water leaking out of any joint there happens to be. Now, why do I do this step? Because in my case, all my downspouts go underground and they drain out into the yard. So if the drain underground gets clogged up for some reason, all the water is going to backfill back up the downspout all the way to the top and fill the gutters. In this case, I think it's good news because I don't hear any sound of water inside here. Well, here we are from the top. And as you can see, it is right to the top. Now, notice I put my arm through the rung, so that's going to hold me while I hold the camera, right? So I still have my 3 points of contact. And yeah, here we go. Right to the top. So what we want to do is look at that downspout area, which is right here. And as you can see, it's clogged right up. So let's see if just a simple amount of... All right. Honestly, I didn't expect it to be that simple, but look at that. Well, we got this gutter cleared pretty quick and easy. It turns out that there was a big clog of leaves right in the top of where the drain connects to the gutters. That's very, very common, and that backed up the whole gutter, holding up over 300 pounds of water in those gutters. Not only that, the water was dripping off the side, and if it would have gotten frozen temperatures, we would have a huge puddle on the deck of ice. Very dangerous. So removing this clog was pretty easy. If your downspout goes underground, the easy fix for the short term to get you through the winter: disconnect the downspout where it's going into the pipe at the ground, put an elbow on it, and put one of them trays under the elbow to direct the water away from the house. In that way, your downspout will work, all the water will drain on top of the grass, which is fine, especially in winter, but you need to get that water out of the gutters any way you can. So today the easy way was unplug it at the top. A little bit more difficult, but just as easy really. Put an elbow at the bottom if your clog is down underground. So with all that said, thank you very much for watching today. This is the Everyday Man saying we'll see you next time.